Good morning, students. Today we have to solve integration by substitution method. In this method, we have to select a term whose differentiation is given in your question. Then we substitute the value and we solve. Let us suppose that here 2 tan inverse x is equal to t. Right? 2 tan inverse x is equal to t. On differentiating in both the sides with respect to x, on differentiating in both the sides with respect to x, we get 2 1/1 plus x square dx is equal to dt and 1/1 plus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now we have to substitute this value and this value in given question. Question will be transformed like sin 2 tan inverse x is equal to t sin t and 1/1 plus x square dx. 1/1 plus square is half dt. Half dt. It will be integration of sin t is equal to minus cos t. This will be minus 1/2 cos t plus c. Now we put the value of t. It will be 1/2 cos t means 2 tan inverse x plus c. It will be your answer. Now come to the next question. We have to solve this question. First of all, in order to solve this question, we multiply by conjugate of this. That will be 1 under root x plus 1 plus under root x into under root x plus 1 minus under root x upon under root x plus 1 minus under root x dx, and it will be how much? Under root x plus 1 minus under root x upon here a plus b and a minus b, a square minus b square. We use formula here a square minus b square. Therefore, it will be x plus 1 whole square minus under root x square dx, and it will be under root x plus 1 minus under root x upon x plus 1 minus x. X is cancelled by x. Therefore, it will be integration of under root x plus 1 dx minus under root x dx. Now let here x plus 1 is equal to t. Let x plus 1 is equal to t. This implies that dx is equal to dt. Therefore, it will be under root t dt minus under root x dx. It will be t to the power. Under root means half. Therefore, half plus 1 upon half plus 1 minus x to the power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus c, and it will be 2 by 3 e to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now putting the value of t, we find here result 2 by 3, t means under root x plus 1, x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus integral constant c. It will be answer. Now we have to solve this question number 3. Question number 3. In order to solve this question, we multiplying by x in numerator and denominator. Therefore, x dx upon x square x square to the power 2 plus 1. Now let here x square is equal to t. On differentiating in both the side with respect to x, we get here 2x dx is equal to dt. Therefore x dx is equal to half dt. Therefore question will be 1 upon 2 dt upon t into t square plus 1. Again we multiplying by t in numerator and denominator. 1 upon 2 t dt upon t square into t square plus 1. Now let t square is equal to u 2t dt is equal to du t dt is equal to 1 by 2 du. Therefore question will be transformed like 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 t dt half du du upon u into u plus 1. Now it will be 1 by 4. Now we will get it 1 upon u minus 1 upon u plus 1 du. It will be equal to this. Therefore 1 by 4 1 by u du minus 1 by u plus 1 du. It will be 1 by 4 log u minus log u plus 1 plus integral constant c. Now we will put the value of u in form of t and t in form of x. Then we find out required result. That's okay. Thank you.